She is Farz Kifaya.
And if a Janaza prayer is said properly, it's not at all necessary to say Janaza Ghaib. But there are mentioned in the Holy Quran that there is Sakina for Mu'mineen, and Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam leads the Janaza prayer. So extending it unnecessarily, I think no caliph can be compared in any way, even to Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam's shoes. But people, when they don't find him alive, they think perhaps the caliph's prayers will be sakina for us. And this is they feel very strongly. So they keep writing to me, bothering me about it. Please say a Janaza prayer. I said, you don't know who will die first. But they say, if we die first, please. So out of pity for their sincerity and their love, I promise sometimes. And then I have to say the Janaza prayer if they die in my lifetime.